You know what I'm saying? Classroom. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my nigga Can Raw 16. Subscribe to that nigga. See what's up. You know what I'm saying?
You don't know these niggas.
It's one of my friends, dude.
They don't know you.
You know what I'm saying? Go there, subscribe to that nigga, you know what I'm saying? Because he be watching video, I be watching his videos like every day. Go and subscribe to that nigga. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, put a like on his videos. You know, shout out to my nigga Pontiac. Demi Nation. Yeah. I'm gonna start doing reactions real soon. Real soon. Reactions. I'm gonna start doing vlog videos. You know what I'm saying? But just stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. We coming in. Boss King Squad. Oh yeah, shout out to WAP TV. Yeah, we doing this shit too. WAP TV, we live. Like that nigga. Cool. Got your respect. Cool, because he started from high school and I'm in high school, so I'm gonna start this shit, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to my channel. Down here from the H. Represent. Outside, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead. I'm going to fuck with y'all a little later. Back with it again. It's a little class. Finna head outside to get my little bro right quick. You know what I'm saying? It's fucking people up there. High school shit, man. This is what it is. What it look like, dog. YouTube shit for a minute. Shit, I'm back with it again. Stay with this damn hallway. Long ass hallway, yo. Long ass school full. Stupid shit. Wanna head back to my little bro. Right around the fucking corner, about to hit that hoe. You know what I'm saying? And if y'all niggas ever come down below, if y'all niggas down, had some fucking bad high school years. What the fuck going on right now? Damn. You know what I'm saying? Little ass people, bro. Try. With it. So what the fuck she got on? Look at it. Look. Shit, you see that shit, man? The niggas back here walking and shit. Down by us, what's up, bro? Fucking niggas back here, man. Fucking high school. Something else. What's up with it, man? Back, my little brother in the back. Right there. Say hey to the vlog, man. What's up, bro? I'm a YouTuber. Oh, cool. So I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, get more views and more subscribers.
Oh, that's awesome.
You know what I'm saying? Trying to do that stuff. We just got out of school.
The bad news is Jesse.
You know what I'm saying?
Jesse is cheap.
Finna hit.
How you say?
And it's hot outside. Damn. It's hot as hell, man. Shit. It's fucking hot, yo. And I got blue on today. And I'm still vlogging. This nigga don't want to be in the vlog, yo. This nigga crazy. Hey, what's up, bro? You spitting Clauden? Okay. Used to be that dude at Clauden? Yeah. Middle school. Alright, man. I ain't seen you in a while, bro. Say hey to the vlog. YouTube. Vlog all day. You know what I'm saying? Vlogging and shit. I used to meet dude got tall as hell, man. I used to meet dude from middle school, from Clauden. I don't know if y'all can see me, bro. It's fucking hot. Got this big ass, puffy ass afro. Shit. I don't go down if y'all flame me down in the comment section, nigga. Dang. Hey, how you doing? I'm gonna have to hit y'all a little later, yo. I got that much juice on my camera. So I'm gonna help. I'm sorry this can't be a longer vlog, but it is what it is. I'm gonna have to make longer vlogs a little later. Shit. This is like a little start. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, I'm gonna start off making some real longer vlogs. You know what I'm saying? Longer vlogs and all shit like that. But it's a little start. I'll catch y'all niggas probably a little later, bro. Tomorrow. Down here, Houston, bro. Alright, vlog. I'll see y'all niggas later, bro.
I'm stuck with shallow.
Fuck with y'all niggas tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Put a like on this video if you like this video. Show it to your family, show it to your friends, whoever. Put a like on the video. Deuces.